In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning visuals for your team using Canva. Whether you're working on a project presentation, a social media post, or simply putting together a creative tribute for your team, Canva offers a user-friendly platform to make this task simple and fun. Let's dive right in and explore how to make a standout team collage in just a few easy steps. First, let's head to Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, you'll find it to be an incredibly versatile design tool that is packed with features. Once you're on Canva's website, the first thing you'll want to do is look for the Elements section. This is the design hub where you can find a wide range of assets to enhance your projects. For our team collage, you'll start by searching for frames. Frames are a fantastic way to give each picture a unique look and feel. For this particular example, we'll use circle frames because they lend a nice, cohesive look that is visually appealing. After you've chosen your circle frame, click to insert it onto your blank page. At this point, you'll start adding images of your team members into these frames. Simply drag and drop your photos into each frame. Adjust the images as necessary so they fit perfectly within the circles. This step is more than just adding pictures. It's really about crafting a narrative through visuals, so take your time here to get everything looking just right. Next, it's time to add some personalized text. Click on the text button. You'll find a plethora of text styles to choose from. These range from classic and professional styles to more fun and whimsical ones. Select a text style that matches the theme of your project and type in the names of your team members. You might want to experiment with the font size, color, and alignment until everything feels just right. Remember, text in your design should always complement, not compete with, the images. And there you have it. Once your frames are filled and your text is added, give your design one final look over to ensure everything aligns with your vision. Perhaps you'd like to make some last-minute tweaks or changes, and that's perfectly fine. That's one of the best things about using Canva. It's incredibly forgiving and flexible, allowing you to be as creative or as precise as you desire. In conclusion, with just a few clicks and a bit of creativity, you've created a professional and personalized collage for your team. This project not only showcases your team's uniqueness, but also highlights your design skills. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has inspired you to create more amazing projects with Canva.